Alright, here I am kicking off my next project. I am making a table to go outside on the patio, and I'm in the process of building my indoor side table, except I epoxied the knots, and that epoxy that I have takes 3 days to cure. So I picked up this teak when I got the extra black walnut, and so I figured I would start that now and get some wheels going. I have the plans here. Inspired from another magazine article that my wife found. And I decided to make it out of solid teak for longevity and for the looks. And interestingly, the teak that you see laid out here, these 9 boards, this is Burmese Teak, very high quality, $50 linear board foot. So there is, with tax, there's $1,500 worth of teak sitting here on the table. So I have to take it careful, I can't ruin any boards. And I have just enough to do the table. It's gonna be 42 inches in a circle with 3 legs that joint and sort of protrude off the top and are rounded over. So yeah, it should be a good, pretty straightforward build. I've got most of the planning written down, but I'm gonna adjust it as I go. The legs were gonna be, this is 15/16 of an inch thick, and I was gonna make the legs out of a single width of this, but sort of looking at it in person, what I'm gonna do is laminate 2 of these and get some stockier legs out of it, so it's a little sturdier. And if I don't like the thickness, I can always plane them down later, but I think 1 inch thick is a little too flimsy, I think, too thin, since there's only 3 legs and it is a 42 inch diameter table. So what I've got to do, what I'm gonna do now is, these are jointed on one side already. So I have to rip down and join 4 of these, and I'm gonna do one big glue up of the top. And then I've never done this before, but then I'll find the center and do a 21 inch radius. I'm thinking with a router bit attached to a pole that draws a perfect circle. So I've never done that before. Obviously, since the top is over $1,000 worth of wood, I need to do it right. So I'll take my time and get that right. But what I'll do is rough up the legs, get the top made, and then kind of go from there. So this video is just to lay out the plan, and I'll follow up subsequently with the build process. If there was ever a measure twice, cut once moment, it would be with this kind of expensive wood, but should go okay, I'm hoping. Can't mess this up. All right, I'll follow up with sort of a couple build videos to go through the whole process with me if you're interested in following along. Okay, see you, bye.